Hi, this is ZTE Blade A72S and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So first let's just open once again the Muviz Edge application. Tap here to the X icon. So let's change the theme. Let's select this one. Just tap to apply. If you wanna change the backgrounds of this theme, you should just swipe to the up or to the down by the swipe. Tap to apply. Here you could also hide music controls after 10 seconds, so just to don't hide them. To activate and turn off the notifications and date by use the swatchers. And in battery section we could show the battery status always while they were charging or just never. Let's go back, tap to the X icon, switch AOD to the settings, tap to always on display. Here on the right upper corner we got the switcher to turn on and turn off this option. Also we could show it on lock screen always while device charging. One will play the music. Here always. I'll use it always, so we could decrease or increase the brightness level. To change the timeout from 5 seconds to never. To just also change the time and blow power after. To change the screen orientation. To close it by double or single tap on the lock screen. To close it with a fingerprint if you use fingerprint unlock method. To close it on screen off. To set the schedule, the start and the end time, the pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize AOD option on our ZTE Blade phone. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.